So today's class is regarding DAX functions. Okay. So the tables are getting updated right now. Yeah. So these were the tables which we used in earlier classes to understand about the data modeling, the two types of data modeling, snowflakes and star. Now we will use them to implement some of the DAX functions. Okay. So this is customer table. Okay. Yeah, this is customer table. Here you can see different tables, different columns are there. Okay. So if you want to create a new column with the help of if statement such that you can you can understand that whether a person who is having occupation as some particular occupation and education level, some particular education level person is there or not. Okay. So DAX, data analytics expression. Okay. There are some set of formulae which we can use. I have already shared a particular PDF in your group. You can go through it. Okay. Many DAX functions are explained over there. PDF by Microsoft. Have you obtained that one in your group? Hello. Have you got any PDF in group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is regarding DAX functions only. You go through it. Okay. It will be helpful for you. Today we will be discussing a few of the DAX functions so that you can understand that how we can implement it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Which group have you upgraded?
Okay, you are from PowerBi group, right? I will upload there also. In 17 group, I have uploaded it.
Thank you.
Okay. Now it is there in PowerBi training one group also. Okay.
Will you please recap what is the dimension and what is the fact table?
Yeah, actually fact table is basically directly related to the analysis. Like it shows you what is happening in the company, all those things. Dimension table is the supporting table, which is having some data that supports the analysis. It is not directly related to the analysis, but it supports in the analysis. That is what is fact table and dimension table. In dimension table, primary key will be there, and in fact table, foreign key will be there. That is the basic difference. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So let us make a new column with the help of if condition, so that we can understand that whether two conditions, two or three, any number of conditions we can put, according to that we can get an output or not. Okay. So I am taking a new column. Here right now I'm going to choose like a person who is having who is single, and that person is having occupation as professional or no. Let us take a condition that a person who is single, this is marital status. Okay. See, by clicking over here, by clicking just over here, you can see only two options will be there. That is S and M. M means married, S means single. Okay. And here, like here, you can see homeowner, whether the person is a homeowner or not. So only two options will be there, no and yes. We can choose any column. I'm choosing the some of the simplest one, like marital status is single and the person is owner. For homeowner, it should be a Y, and for marital status, it should be a yes. If that particular condition is satisfied, then corresponding to the new column, yes must appear, otherwise no should appear. Okay. For that, I am taking a new column, right? So here the new column appeared. I can give any name to the column. Okay. So I am naming it as single home owner. Okay, is equal to. Now I will be using the if statement. Within if statement, within bracket, I have to put all the things. Okay, whatever is required. So first condition is the person is not married. Marital status is equal to S. Okay. So first of all, I should take the column. Okay. So here you can see this is the table name and this is the column name. It is appearing just by typing MA. Okay. So you have to choose this one. Okay. Now is equal to, then within double quotes, because the S, whatever S is there, that is a string. Okay. So capital S. Right. This is one condition. Okay. So for one condition, I am putting it within a bracket. And then what I have to do is double ampersand. Double ampersand means and. That means next condition should also be satisfied. Okay. So next condition is the person is a homeowner. Okay. Is equal to, then within that I will write capital Y. Okay. So these are the two conditions. If these two conditions are met, then yes should be written in this particular column. Okay. Otherwise, no should come. Okay. So this is the simple thing. That is, if this condition and this condition is met, then yes, otherwise no. Okay. When I will press enter, now you are getting a new column. Okay. Here you can see the person is single, but he is not a homeowner. That's why no. Okay. Right. And here you can see homeowner corresponding to homeowner, Y is there. That means the person is a homeowner and the person is single. Right? You can see over here. Okay. This particular column I am talking about. Sorry, row I am talking about. These all rows are having those two conditions satisfied. That's why it is occurring so. And here you can see corresponding to no. Marital status M. Okay. And homeowner, no. Both the conditions are not met. That's why no. If either of the condition is not met, then also no will come. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want a column in which any of the two condition is met, yes. Yes, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, I want to ask, how can we fix that column position
Column
without
position.
dragging? Without dragging.
Always it will come at the end because it is the extra column. Right? Okay, this is the column that we are making. But when we create a table, we can arrange according to our wish. Suppose in report, if we are making a table, we can swipe table above, below like that. Whatever our wish is there, we can do like that. Okay. Is it clear? See, if I'm going to put a column over here. Okay. And I'm putting another column over here. Right. Right. And another column over here. If I want to swipe them here and there, I can do over here. Right. This is how I can do. Okay. Simply by dragging and dropping things. You can see this column, this was in middle, it came over here simply by dragging and dropping like this. Okay, this is how you can swipe it here and there. Okay, here what we are doing, already existing data set is there. We are adding some another column, it will come at the end. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts? Okay, so if you want,
Yes, ma'am.
If you want a case that when only one condition is satisfied, then also yes should come. Okay, that means either this condition or this condition is satisfied, then yes should come. So that means here the operator will be or. Okay, for that you should, instead of this double ampersand, you should put double pipe. Okay, double pipe means you should press shift in the keyboard, and above enter there is a line kind of thing. Okay, so when you will click over it, you will get this kind of lines. Okay, it is called pipe, double pipe. Okay, when you will press enter, there you can see the person is single and he is not a homeowner. He or she is not a homeowner. So since this condition is met, that's why yes is coming. Is it clear, everyone? If you want multiple condition, you can put over there 3, 4, any number of condition you want, you can put over there before yes. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let us move on to the next thing. Yes.
Ma'am, can we say that this DAX is basically what we use formulas in Excel, or there is some difference in syntax?
Similar to that, but differences will be there. You can go through that PDF and find out different DAX functions. Somewhat
Okay,
similar
ma'am.
to it.
Ma'am, ma'am, what if we want the output, or if the condition is met, like we do in Excel, if we want, if the output is true, and if we want the same column as output, so in Excel we basically choose that cell or cell address, but in Power BI we cannot do that.
Okay. No, it's actually this data set is somewhat fixed now. Whatever alteration you want to do, that is done in report view only. This is somewhat a fixed one. It is,
No,
I mean, we cannot directly alter it. We can use some
no,
function.
ma'am. My question is like, if the homeowner is yes or no, and we want that same output.
Same output.
Ma'am, like
If you want to
in Excel
duplicate
we
the
buy
column,
no ma'am, not duplication, but
yes.
ma'am, ma'am, like if we want the same output, what whatever in that column.
We are creating a new column. Same output means duplicating the column, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, same output in the sense, after putting the condition, if we want the same column output, if the condition is true, then same column would be duplicated or would be pasted in that new column. We can do that in Excel, but
I really don't know how to. I'm not trying. I able to understand. So we can discuss it later.
okay, ma'am. Okay, no more. No.
Okay. So let us check out one more thing. See here, birth date is there. Okay. So here you can see a person's birth date is there, but we don't know the age of the person. Age is very important factor, because based on the age, you can understand that what are the needs of that person. If a person is a small child, okay, so his preferences will be like toys and those kind, some electronic items and all, right? And if a person is very old, corresponding to that, his or her needs will change, right? Isn't it? If your customer is of a particular age, you can actually make a decision like which kind of products you should sell in your company, right? If majority of your customers are of a particular age group, so based on that, you can actually purchase some products that will benefit your companies in the sense like they will purchase it. Okay, so age is very important, right? Knowing the age of your customer is very important thing. See, if majority of your customers are very old in age, so you can't have great business by selling toys, right? Isn't it? So that matters a lot, right? So right now we are having birth date. With the help of that, we can actually calculate the approximate age of the person. Okay, so I'm going to make a new column. Okay, first of all, we should understand that what is the current date and its year. Okay, so see, I'm making a new column current, right? And today is a function through which we can understand what is the current date. Okay. Right. Today is 12th November 2022. If you will put year as a function over here, okay, year. And within bracket, if you are taking this today, then you can find out what is the current year. What is the current year, guys? It is 2022. Okay. So here in case of this birth date column, we are having date of birth of different customers. So using the year function itself, we can understand what is their birth year, right? Okay. So I'm making one more column so that it will be easy for you to understand.
Ma'am, and can you show us how to extract the month and the
Yes, see,
after you're done with this?
yeah, month and year you can extract very easily. See, for birth year itself, I'm taking here, okay, birth year. One more time, I'm telling you, see, whatever year, whatever year column is there, that you should put in this year function, okay, birth.
Okay.
This was our, date of birth column, right? So when you will press enter, here you can see in which year they were born. Okay. And when you will subtract these two numbers, you can understand that person's age, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to simply subtract these two things. Or you can simply put everything in a single column also. That is your choice. So I'm writing age is equal to current minus then birth year, right? Okay, this is showing you the age of the approximate age of the person, right? If you want month, you can do that thing too. For the if you want current month, right? Current Okay, this is our current month. Similarly, we can extract day also. Today is 12th, right? Okay. So this is how we can extract different things. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes,
So, for
you
example,
can put hour also over there, like in our second task, no?
yeah,
There was something related to hour, I guess. Okay. This was that particular thing, right? So in this condition, if you want to understand, like what was the hour? 18, right? So that you can extract with the help of HOUR, that particular function. Okay. That PDF. It's not coming. This was that PDF. Okay, in which many DAX functions are actually there. Okay. Yeah, our function, 89th page, right? So there are some function, you can try out them one by one. See, in case of, as I already told you, if you want to find today's day or any other date column you are having, you can simply use this function day. Okay. Like this, you can try out different things. Okay. Here you can see in any format they are, you can extract day out of it. Okay, you please try out these things. Our function, as I already told you, you can use this function, date time. Okay. Like this is the time. So it will extract 16 out of it. Okay. Like this, many things are there. You please try out them one by one. Okay. Go through this particular PDF. It is the genuine one because it is published by Microsoft itself. Right. So go through this particular PDF, whatever DAX functions are there. There are many DAX functions. It's somewhat difficult to learn everything. So you keep this PDF with yourself whenever you are doing something. It will help you a lot. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that was regarding day, date, and all. Okay. And if you want to combine a particular columns, you can do that, and you can split them also. See, in our this particular task 2 data set, here you can see like that was a payment method, right? In payment method, different columns, different entities are there. Okay. CC Avenue with a price kind of thing. You can use this symbol or space as delimiter, and you can just split them into two columns so that you can attain the payment method out of it. Okay, that is where splitting function can be used. Right, this amount is not required. You need to know only about the type of payment, that is CC Avenue and offline method only. So using the delimiter, you can split them. Okay, here rupee symbol is the delimiter. Okay.
Ma'am, and instead of showing
So I will tell you how to
in the form of words, can you
First of
just
all, I will combine them and I will split them. Okay. Clear? See. Oh, that I will take later. Before that, I want to tell you some more things. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So first of all, see, guys, actually, if you are having, yeah, if you are having this some of the columns in which very long terms are there, and if you want to shorten them, okay, like in this particular column, I mean, somewhat big words are there. If you want to shorten them into, some letters only. Like for January, we can write Jan. For December, we can write DEC, like that. Okay, it is very much understood by each and everyone around the world. Like that, there will be some shortened terms which is very much understood by people. If you want to shorten things like that, so you can use left function for it. Okay, right now I will apply as an example. It is not exactly applicable over here, but somehow in some places, if you want to apply those shortening methods, you can use it. Okay. In months, it is very much applicable, like January, February, March, all those things. Okay. So here I am writing. I'm taking this occupation column. Okay. I'm trying to shorten its terms. So for that, I will be using left function because I want to extract some of the letters from left of the this particular column entities. Okay. Okay, so comma, I will put 4. If I want 4 letters, if I want 5 letters, I should put 5. Okay, whichever number of letters I want, I have to put that number over here, then enter. Here you can see for professional, PROF is coming, right? Like that for each and every term, like for manual, MANU. It is not the exact shortening, but this is an example. For skilled manual, SKIL. Like that, only 4 letters are being taken. In some particular data set, it is very much convenient to use. So wherever you find those kind of columns, you can apply this shortening method. Okay. Sometimes it happens now, like we are making a chart, and if the names are very long, then we have to adjust that chart somehow so that everything is quite visible. So in those cases, this kind of shortening is very much useful. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. Right? Is it okay, everyone?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, right now what we are going to do is we are actually trying to apply the same, function with a small change. Like here you can see the email address. Okay. This is the username of a person. Okay. And this is the company name, adventureworks.com. Okay. So this is a company email ID. So if you want to extract the username only, you can use the same left function with a search condition. Okay, you have to search for this at symbol. With the help of that, you can decide that how many letters you want from left, right? Because each and every cell is having a different length of username, right? They are having different length. Sometimes it is 5 in number, sometimes it is 7 in number, sometime it is 6 in number, like that. So for that, first I'm making a new column. Okay, I'm naming it as username. Okay, and here I can write left. Okay, and within this left, I have to first mention the column, that is email address. Okay, now what I have to do, I don't know the position of it. So for that, I need to search the position of it. Okay, so there is a function called search itself. Okay, search. Okay, I'm using this particular thing. And now what I'm going to do is, I will put the, whatever particular symbol was there, that all that I will take. Okay, that was it. Okay, now what I will write the column name also. I have to search for it in this particular column. Okay, so it was email. Okay, and then so I have searched for this particular position. Instead of for, I am taking the position of it. Right? Is it clear, everyone? Earlier, what we did, we put an integer over here. Now what I am doing, I am searching for the position of it. Okay, that particular location will come over here. Cell to cell. Okay, when I will press enter, here you can see it is also coming with it. That means the position of it is also counted in left. So I don't want it with it. So what I have to do, -1, right? Similarly as, yes, Vivek, what you want to ask?
Ma'am, what is the standard pattern for writing that measures?
Which measures?